Running a small business is a non-stop job, and protecting what you've built is key. Two types of insurance that every small business owner should understand are general liability insurance and workers' compensation insurance. So, what's the difference? General liability insurance protects your business against risks such as customer injuries or property damage. Imagine if a customer trips and injures their ankle in your store, or you accidentally damage a client's property while on the job. General liability helps cover legal fees, settlements, and judgments up to your policy limits. This coverage matters even if you have no employees, because risks like slips and falls or advertising claims can happen to anyone. Workers' compensation, or workers' comp insurance, protects your business by covering medical costs and lost wages if employees are injured on the job. It covers medical bills, rehabilitation costs, and lost wages for work-related injuries. Most states require workers' comp once you hire your first employee, and failing to carry it can sometimes mean fines or penalties. And if you're a sole proprietor with no employees, you can still buy it to cover yourself because your regular health insurance might not pay for a work injury. But what's the key difference between these two policies? General liability protects you if a customer or third party gets hurt or harmed, and workers' compensation insurance covers costs for employees when they get hurt at work. Protecting your business shouldn't be complicated, and it doesn't have to be. With Insureon, you can get quotes in minutes and find the right coverage for your business. Tap the link to get small business insurance that you can count on.